Charles, Veo 3 AI is free.
If you watch this video from the beginning till the end, I'm going to show you how to access Veo 3 for free. As we all know, Veo 3 is the game changer in AI content.
The 3 videos you just watched were generated with Veo 3 AI for free. This is a powerful text-to-video platform that you can use to generate any video of your choice with just simple prompts on any device. If you watch this video from the beginning to the end, I'm going to show you how to generate these videos on Veo 3 AI for free. Kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video as we proceed.
To get started, search for Veo 3 AI on Google. Click on it, this very one here. It will bring you to a page like this. Click on the first one. Click on it for it to load. And then it will bring you to a page like this. You're going to click on Try Veo 3 AI. Try Veo. Click on it. It is going to bring you on another page like this. You go ahead and explore the different versions. You can see the free one and Google AI Pro, which we are going to be making use of. Just go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, it has converted the price to Naira, 28,500, but we won't be paying for it. Just click on it. It will ask you to agree. You agree with the terms and conditions. When you agree with the terms and conditions, it is going to bring you to a page like this, asking you to enter your payment details. Choose the add card method, and I am going to show you how to generate a fake card online which you are going to use to access this product without paying any dime. Let us head over to that. To do this, head over to Google and search for C card generator. The reason why you are seeing this here on my screen is because I have already searched for it before. What I will do now is that I will go ahead and click on it to take us to the interface where we are going to access the website to generate these fake cards. So I'll click on the C card generator like this, and then it brings me to the interface on Google. I'll click on this to access the website. This is the website of ccardgenerator.com. What this website does is to generate IP addresses and fake credit card which you can use online. It works perfectly. I'll go ahead and click on this generate Visa card because it can generate any card at all. I'll click on generate Visa card and then wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see here, it has generated a card for me. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this card number and every details that is required of me and enter it on that space. They are asking me to enter my payment details. And now let's head over to that one. If by any chance you entered those card details that you generated from ccardgenerator.com and it doesn't work, don't worry, there is no cause for alarm. Just go ahead and use your Nigerian card, your personal card, and access the products, access Veo 3 AI. By the end of this video, I am going to show you what you need to do so that they will not charge your card when it expires. Okay, now let us head over to the next phase of this video, which is what we can do with Veo 3 AI. If your transaction was successful, it will bring you to an interface like this. You go ahead and click on go to Gemini Pro. It is going to load and bring you to an interface like this. Gemini is a Google product which you can use to access Veo 3 AI. But since Gemini Pro has limited features, we are going to use another Google product which is called Flow to access Veo 3 AI. We'll go straight to Google now and search for Flow and use it to access this product. And search for Flow AI video. As you can see here, you can see it in my search history because I already searched for it before. Just go ahead and click on it. Then you go ahead and click on the second one here. When you click on it, you wait for it to load. Okay, it has finally loaded. This is what Flow AI looks like when you access it. You go ahead and click on Create with Flow. This very one here at the bottom. Wait for it to load. It's now loading. It won't take time. Let's wait for it to load. This is what Veo 3 AI interface looks like when you access it with Flow. The other one was Gemini AI Pro, but they are still the same platforms owned by Google, which you can use to access Veo 3 AI. The reason we are using this particular one is because of the features it has. On Gemini AI, it is quite limited. So let me show you these features I'm talking about. When you click here, you see the different features. It says text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video, which is obviously not available at the moment because we are on the free version. Maybe when we upgrade to something bigger, it will give us this one, but that is not a problem because what we are about to do, we can still do it with the available options here. So what we are going to do now is to generate a video with text. Just write anything you want. I want you to generate a video of anything, like just tell it what to do. So I'm going to enter my own prompt here and tell it what to do. But in order to make this more interesting and more captivating, we are going to head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give us prompts which we can use on Veo AI to generate videos. You can go ahead and just type in your normal prompt and tell it to do what you want, but this is how I want to use it. I'll also show you how to just generate your normal prompts in this video as we proceed. As you can see here, I just told ChatGPT to give me some prompts which I can use on Veo 3 AI. This is what I said. Please generate some interesting cinematics prompts which I can use to generate videos on Veo 3 AI. Please make it detailed and cinematic. I'll go ahead and click on this button here to give us these prompts. I'll click on it and wait. Okay, as you can see now, let's wait, it's generating. As you can see here, ChatGPT has given me a list of prompts here. It's a lot of them, but I'm going to be making use of just one. I'm going to copy any of the prompts that I like and use it on Veo 3 AI to generate these videos. I'm going to be copying number 7. I actually like the scripts and the action in it, so I'm going to copy this one here. I'm just going to click on it and copy it like this and go ahead and use it on Veo 3 AI. So this is what my prompt says. I have made it bolder for you guys to see what it's all about. It says, a mighty titan rises from the ocean during a storm, lightning crackling across the sky as waves crash. The creature rose, towering over coastal cliffs where villagers watch in awe and fear. The camera zooms from wide shots of destruction to close up, eyes widening in shock. Dark, moody lightning with flashes of white from lightning. Epic orchestral music builds tension. This is just perfect. I want something cinematic. This is why I'm going for something like this. So for us to get started, this is on text to video. You're going to click on this icon here to do some settings. When you click on it, it says output per prompt. Make sure that your output is 1 per prompt so that it will not waste your credits. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on this model. We are going to use the model that we want, but for this video we are using Veo 3 AI, which is the last one here, which says high quality experimental audio. I'll go ahead and click on it, and the next thing for us to do now is to generate the video. Let's click on this arrow button here to generate it. It is now generating. Okay, 1%. Let's give it some time to load. As you can see here, our video has been generated finally. We'll go ahead and click on it so we can download it and watch. Click on this button here. It says animated GIF, original size, upscared. We're going to be making use of the second option, original size, because we need to save credits. Once you use this highest one here, it is going to take a lot of credits and we need to generate more videos towards the end. So I'm going to click on this one and wait for it to download. Okay. It is now downloading. Our video has downloaded. We'll go ahead and play the video and see what we got. Click on open here and then click on this one and see what it looks like. Okay, that video was just perfect for me. I wanted something cinematic and it gave me just that. Like I said, you can ask Veo 3 AI to do any kind of video for you, but for me, that was what I wanted and I got just that. So we're going to try another one now. I'm going to ask Veo 3 AI to generate a video of a young man calling his friend to tell them that Veo 3 AI is free. So this is the prompt I generated. It says, generate a video of a young and handsome black man on vintage t-shirts. He is inside a shopping mall, calling his friends on the phone and telling them that Veo 3 AI is free. The name of his friend is Charles. I'll just go ahead and click on this arrow button here. I'll make sure that the model is on the highest one, which is the Veo 3 AI, and then I'll make sure it is just one prompt in order to save credits, and then I'll make sure that it is on text to video. So please take note of all these things so that you will not make any mistake, because if you click on something else, it is not going to give you the desired result. So I'll go ahead and click on this arrow to generate the video. It's now loading. Okay, we are going to wait for this video to load. And just like that, our video has been generated. This AI is so amazing. So I'll go ahead and play this for you guys to see what we worked with. Let me click on the play button here.
Charles, Veo 3 AI is free.
Okay, this is just perfect. Just exactly what I wanted it to say. Like I said earlier, you can create any kind of video you want. Just give it the prompt. You mustn't do what I'm doing here. I'm just giving you an example, a tutorial. So I'll go ahead. You just go ahead and click on this place to download your video. Please make sure that whatever you choose, it must be the original size. Don't choose anything in order to save your credits. So I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription in a way Google is not going to charge your card, especially if you are going to use your Nigerian card to register on this platform, to subscribe on this platform. Well, how to do it is that you're going to click on this profile button here. I'll click on mine, and then it's going to bring me to a page like this. You can see I have 600 credits left. I'm going to click on membership, manage membership, and wait for it to load. It has finally loaded. I'm going to click on change my payment method, this one here. Click on it, and then it's going to bring me this particular space, cancel membership. You just click on cancel membership and everything is gone. Once you cancel membership, you're going to get a notification that it has been cancelled. Or if you don't want to do it now, you can wait. When the expiry date is coming, you can do it. Or if you are the one that is going to forget, you can just go ahead and cancel it immediately. So that will be it for this video. If you got any value from this, please kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching to this point. Bye.